Imagine a wind turbine taller than the Eiffel Tower. Now picture it standing firm in the middle of the ocean. This is the reality of today's offshore wind energy. These giants are changing how we power our world. Offshore wind turbines are marvels of engineering. They stand strong against powerful waves and fierce winds. These turbines harness the energy of the wind, transforming it into clean electricity. This process is essential for reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Offshore wind farms are appearing across the globe. Countries are investing in this renewable energy source. They are committed to a greener future. These wind farms are not just structures, they represent a global shift toward a sustainable future. Off the coast of Massachusetts, a wind farm is making history. It's called Vineyard Wind, and it's America's first large-scale offshore wind farm. This project is a major step towards a cleaner energy future for the United States. Vineyard Wind is enormous. It covers an area of over 60 square miles. The farm will eventually have 62 massive turbines. Each turbine is capable of powering 10,000 homes. The project is expected to generate enough clean energy to power 400,000 homes and businesses. This will significantly reduce carbon emissions. Vineyard Wind is a powerful example of how offshore wind can help combat climate change. Building an offshore wind turbine is a complex process. It involves many stages from design to installation. It all starts with choosing the right location. Engineers look for areas with strong and consistent wind speeds. The seabed must also be suitable for foundations. Once the location is chosen, construction begins. Specialized vessels transport the massive turbine components to the site. The base of the turbine is installed first. This involves driving huge piles into the seabed. The tower sections are then lifted and secured on top. Next comes the nacelle, which houses the generator and gearbox. Finally, the massive blades are attached. These blades can be longer than the wingspan of a jumbo jet. Section 4. Guardians of the Environment. Offshore wind turbines are not just about clean energy, they are also about protecting our environment. Unlike fossil fuels, wind energy produces no greenhouse gases. This makes it a crucial tool in the fight against climate change. Offshore wind farms also have minimal impact on marine life. The structures provide a new habitat for various species. Fish are often attracted to the base of the turbines. They find food and shelter there. Studies have shown that offshore wind farms can even have a positive impact on marine ecosystems. They can create artificial reefs that enhance biodiversity. This makes them a more environmentally friendly option compared to other forms of energy production. Section 5. Challenges at sea. Building and operating offshore wind farms is not without its challenges. The harsh marine environment can be unforgiving. Strong winds and high waves can make construction and maintenance difficult and dangerous. Corrosion is another major concern. Salt water can corrode the steel structures of the turbines, reducing their lifespan. Engineers are constantly developing new materials and coatings to protect against corrosion. There are also logistical challenges. Transporting the massive turbine components to the offshore site requires specialized vessels and careful planning. Weather conditions must be constantly monitored to ensure safe operations. Section 6. A wind-powered future. Despite the challenges, the future of offshore wind energy is bright. Technological advancements are making turbines more efficient and cost-effective. Governments around the world are setting ambitious targets for offshore wind energy production. Offshore wind has the potential to become a major source of clean energy. It can power millions of homes and businesses. This will reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and contribute to a healthier planet. As we move towards a more sustainable future, offshore wind energy will play a vital role. It's a clean, renewable, and increasingly important part of the global energy mix. The giants of the sea are here to stay.